Here's how you can unlink Instagram from Facebook account. To do this, first open your Instagram application. Now click on your profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be on your profile page. Here you can click the three-lined icon at the top right and navigate to this page. Click Account Center here. Now simply click Manage Accounts at the bottom and you'll be on this page. Now, if you want to navigate to this page with Facebook, you can simply open your Facebook application, click on your profile icon in the top right, click three-lined icon at the top left and click Settings and Privacy. Now click Settings again, click Account Center and you'll have your Manage Account option here too. Now, you can simply click Manage option after your Instagram account that you want to remove or your Facebook account. Now, click Move Account again. Now, this page will show what is going to happen after you move your account. Click Continue at the bottom. Click Yes, Finish Moving. After you do this, you would have successfully unlinked your Instagram from Facebook account. This means your Instagram posts will no longer automatically share to Facebook and the two accounts are completely separated from this point. So that's how you unlink Instagram from Facebook. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.